It's a beautiful day, so I'm gonna film outside today. So you want to make your video crazy cinematic. Well, I've got news for you. Letterboxing is not the way to do it. Actually getting a cinematic video takes a ton of work, from lighting, set design, art direction, acting, story, you name it, it requires it. But letterboxing can be a great way to mimic a cinematic look. Here's the deal, a lot of people add letterboxing to their videos improperly. I'm even guilty of that, even in a lot of my tutorials. However, I do have a very good reason for doing that. YouTube doesn't allow you to add end cards on the videos that are not natively 16:9. So for this reason, I have to keep my videos at 16:9 and simply add a letterboxed overlay, just because I'm petty and want those sweet, sweet subscribers. I'm going to add a great website in the description with a list of commonly used aspect ratios and their respective pixel dimensions. This is a huge time saver, so thank you to wearethefirehouse.com for making this incredible asset. So go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro. Next, go to create a new project. Set the aspect ratio to custom. Then, looking at the cheat sheet I linked to, we can see that to achieve a 2.35:1 aspect ratio, our dimensions will need to be either 4096:1743 for a 4K timeline, which is the cinema standard, or if we want to use the broadcast/consumer ultra high definition standard, it will be 3840:1634. So now our project window is in the correct aspect ratio. However, we've run into a problem. If we put our footage on the timeline, you will notice that the 16:9 video doesn't fit into the 2.35:1 aspect ratio project. That is because the spatial conform is set improperly. So to rectify this, simply come on over to the inspector window and change the spatial conform type to fill rather than fit. You can do this on a shot-by-shot basis, or if you want to save a bunch of time, come on up to your browser and select all of your footage. Then you can come over to the spatial conform and set it on all your clips at the same time. However, if you want to add those end cards to the end of your video, you are unfortunately going to have to use an adjustment layer with the letterbox effect on your video. I forgot to do an outro. Sun's kind of blasting me. So this video is about over with. Maybe if I block it like this, do I get nice light on my face? There we go. I got this nice cut of light across my face. So this video is over. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. If you did like it, press the like button. If you have any questions, maybe if I turn the camera this way, let's see. If you have any questions about letterboxing, please hit me up down in the comments and I'll answer to the best of my abilities. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Push that like button if this video was helpful. Consider subscribing, as I have new videos every single week, and I will see you next week.